Hi guys, it's me, Leah, and
I'm Elijah.
And we just sent Shallys her dinner and then already in their PJs.
Yeah, and we'll get one to go to bed.
Not me, but yeah.
Yeah, we'll not get one.
She's pretending she's asleep.
Huh?
Shally, I will potty. We did. Well, let's check your. Hang on, I'll do it.
Ew!
It looks soggy. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, she's heavy. Oh, wow, she definitely goes. It looks like it's. I'm surprised it's not leaking. And stop it.
It might be,
Let's check it out. So we have her here. Oh, it's so strong it broke the diaper. This does not break the diaper.
Yeah, it whipped it open.
Stop. You guys ready? Hang on, I'm gonna zoom in.
Did you put poop in it?
Ooh, that looks gross. Ooh, Shally, ew. It's also right there. Ooh, I'm gonna fill this.
That is just disgusting. And
Ooh, you see the water, guys? I want to show you the water. That's a lot of pee. So thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe and in the comments.
No.
Let us know.
We didn't do it. We didn't do all of it. This was the whole video.
Well, we're still doing it. And do you think that was a really poopy diaper? I definitely did. And if your baby ever done that, bye.
Bye.